Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger device to your phone. First, download the Ledger Live mobile application from your phone's App Store. Make sure your Ledger device is fully charged and running the latest firmware version for optimal performance. Next, activate Bluetooth on both your Ledger hardware wallet and your smartphone. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and secure connection process. We'll guide you through each step to ensure your assets are accessible on the go. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Ledger Live app on your phone and choose the option to initialize a new device or connect your Ledger. The app will then guide you through the Bluetooth pairing process. Your Ledger device will display a pairing code. Verify that this code matches the one shown on your phone screen. Confirm the pairing on both devices to establish a secure connection. This step ensures only your authorized phone can access your Ledger. Once paired, you can start managing your crypto assets. Within the Ledger Live app, you'll be able to add your existing cryptocurrency accounts. This allows you to view your balances, send, and receive various digital assets directly from your phone. Remember, for every transaction, you will need to confirm the details on your physical Ledger device. This two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of security, protecting your funds from unauthorized access. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay in control. Maintaining the security of your Ledger device is paramount. Always keep your 24-word recovery phrase in a safe, offline location, and never share it with anyone. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Regularly check for firmware updates to ensure your device has the latest security enhancements. And speaking of keeping things fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals. Stay secure and enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.